Hey YouTube, what's up? I am Prateek Pattnaik from class 6. I will tell you how to solve a 3x Rubik cube. Before that, we have to know that which pieces is known as what. It is the center piece, and these are the corner piece, and these are the edge piece. The corner piece have always three sides: 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. There are 8 corner pieces in a Rubik cube. And there are also center pieces. Center pieces does not move this place. It does not matter that in which direction we are moving it. I am moving it, but the center piece does not change place. Now it is the edge piece. The edge piece has 2 colors. Like this. Here is blue and here is red. Here is yellow, here is orange, here is green and here is red. But center piece have only one piece, one color. That is white, green, yellow, blue, red and orange. Okay? Now we have to make a plus for solving it. We have to make a plus of white or any color we can make a plus. I am making a plus of white color. Plus you can also say it as a cross. First here are two pieces joined. The 3 pieces joined. Here is the white is here, so we will twist it 1 and 2 like this. Here is the white piece, we will twist it 1 like this. Here our plus or cross is made. Now we will match this cube to this or this to this. We will match the center pieces to its upper edge piece. Like here is green, we have to match here the green color. Here is red, we have to match here the red color. Let's match it. Okay, green to green is matched and orange to orange is matched. But red to blue is matched and blue to red is matched. How it can be happen? So we will do that. We will make our right side down 2 times and our face, this side we will also down 2 times, 1 and 2. Now we will turn our last layer to 1 time right and we will make it up 2 times, 1 and 2. Now we will once again turn it 2 times left side, 1 and 2. Now we will turn it like this, 1 and 2. We can see that our blue to blue is matched and red to red is also matched. Our green to green is matched and our orange to orange is also matched. All colors are matched. Now I will tell you how to fill these cubes. This 4 cubes. So what we will do, here is a white. We have to bring the white here or here or here or here. But so here is a white and its opposite here is green. So here is green. We will match the corner piece to its center piece. It is matched like this. Now we will turn it left side and turn the right layer down and turn the last layer right. It is matched and we will turn it up. So here green to green is matched and white is also matched and our orange is also matched. Now what we will do, here is no more white, so here is a white. So what we can do, here is filled, so we will not see this cube. We can do like we can see this cube and its line to last. We will turn it left side and turn it once down and right side and like this. Wow, our cube from here to here came. Now what we will do, we will turn it down and 1 time right. Yes, our cube from here came here. Okay, now we will match it like here, orange to orange and match the white color to white color. Our orange is matched and our white color is matched. Our blue color is also matched. And here is a color, white color. Here is red to red. We will match it. Right, down, left, up. Now a match. Then now here is green, here is green. Okay, we will match here to here. Yes, we can mark that here is a T, here is a T, here is a T, and here is also a T. First, we can tell that our first layer is completed successfully. Now we will go to the second step, that is we will match this color to this like this. For that, I will tell you again. This is green and here is red. We will take it left. If here is green and here is red, here is the red is in our right side. So we will take it left. If the red should be in our left side, so we will take it left right. We will take the opposite side in which the color is. Here is red, we will take it opposite side. That red is left and we will take our right side down. Then we will match it to the opposite color. Then take up. Then we will bring it into it like this. The same formula that we have done in the first step, in the T step. Then here our green to red is completed. Now we will orange to blue. Here is our orange So we will take it right and then take our left down. Here we have taken our right down. Here we will take our left down like this. Then we will turn our down layer to left side and take it up. And here the orange to orange is matched properly. We will take it the down layer left and right side down and match this and take it up. Here our orange and blue is also completed. There is only one now left, which is green and orange. We will take the same formula that we will take here right, here down, here left and up. Then we will match it. Our second layer is also completed. These two, here two, here two and here two. And for the third layer, which is the last layer, we want a formula, which is this formula. I hope that you can see here. You can also take a screenshot of this. For this, we have to know first the symbols. What is the meaning of F? F means the face side. The side which is facing to our face, which is this side, red side. If we will do like this, our face side will blue. If we will do like this, our face side will orange. And if we will turn it like this, our face side will green. So that we need formula. If I will tell F, so you have to turn your face side to right or left. Here is F, on its top here is a right arrow, and at last here is a F, and at its top here is a left arrow. What is the meaning of this arrow? It means if here is written F, right arrow, so it will be clockwise turn, and if here will be written F, left arrow, so it will be anti-clockwise turn, like this and like this. So our first is that this. We have to make a plus of this yellow color, the opposite of the color that you taken first. My opposite color is yellow. So we will first after completing the first layer and second layer, there will be the opposite layer, there will be a centerpiece. First, after putting this formula, it will be consist like this. There will be 3 yellow pieces or more than 3 it can be. It will be like a L or a half T. And after that, there will be 3 cubes horizontally. Like this and like this. And in the fourth time, there will be a plus. All the yellow color cubes, all the 5 color cubes will contain a plus, or you can say a cross. Okay? So it is not compulsory that only one cube will be there, or like this, or like this, or like this only. It can be consist of like this. Sometimes it can consist of like this also. After completing the first 2 layers, it can be also a plus. After that plus, we will not use this formula. I have only a half T, so I will use this formula until the plus. For here is written face, right arrow, it means we will turn our face side to right side. And here is written right up, and here is written face, I explain you. And what is this? R and U. R means our right side. Here is written R and a upper arrow. It means we will turn our right side to our up. If here we written R down arrow like this, we will turn our right side to down. And it is our left side. It will be also take the same formula. If here we written L and upper arrow, we will take it upper. And if here we written L as down, we will take the L down. And what is this? It is known as the upper side, which is always placed at the top. If here we written upper and a left arrow, like enter mark in a computer keyboard, we will turn our upper part to left side. And if it is a opposite enter mark, we will turn it our right side. And understand, if you did not understand it properly, so you can see the video from first again. So let's put our formula. Here is space, right arrow, so I will turn it right. Here is right upper arrow, so I will turn it upper. Here is upper left arrow, so I will turn it upper left. And here is right down arrow, I will turn it down right. Here is upper right arrow, we will turn it right. And here is face left arrow, we will turn it our face. Then we will turn it like this. Here a horizontal line created of the yellow tube. Again we will take the same formula, face, right, upper, left, right, down, upper, right, and face, left. Here our cross is created on top, like this. It is completed. Now we will connect this cube to this cube, this to this, this to this, and this to this. So what we will do, we will see that where is the color blue. I will find where is the blue color. So we will run it once and two. After that, if our blue will match, so it's okay. If our blue will not match, we have to put this formula. That right that's upper and upper right and right down once and upper once right and right once upper and once upper right and once right down and upper once right. My colors are matched, so I am not putting the formula. What we will do if our these two cubes will not come, these two cubes and these two will not complete, we will put the completed cubes to our left side and the not completed cube to our right side and put this formula. And what will happen if this and this cube or this and this cube, the opposite sides pieces will be matched, but the other opposite side will not match. We will take one opposite side to our right side and put this formula. After putting this formula, we will take left, right, down. Like this, we can also use this formula except this formula if the opposite faces will match. After the opposite faces will match, we will put the formula and all the faces will match. If they will not match, we can, if they will not match, these two and these two, the that pieces will be matched, the joint pieces. And other joint will not match, we will use again this formula. Okay, our second step is completed. Okay, then we will go to our third step, which is corner piece connect. We will connect all the corner pieces. For that, we will see that in a corner piece there are three colors, and in these three, we will see the three colors: this color, and this color. The corner piece boundary colors will be like that. Here is yellow, here is blue, and here is red. It will be not compulsory that the blue will match to blue only, and the red will match to red only, and the yellow will match to yellow only. It can be also that the blue will stay here, the red will stay here, and the yellow can stay here. It will can okay. If one corner piece is matched to its boundary colors, we will take the corner piece to our right side like this. If no corner pieces will be matched, then we can take from any angle. In my view, no corner pieces are matched, so I can take any side, but not like this. We will take like this. We can take from this side, or any other side. So we will put the formula. L means left means upper, U means upper, one left, R means upper, one right, U means upper, one right, then left down. Mean like this, and upper side left like this, right side down, and upper side right like this. That we can see. We will find that which will match to our its boundary sides. Here is green, here is red, here is yellow. But two colors will match and one color will not match. So it is wrong, it will not match. If we will see to this side, here is red, yellow and green. Here is no color match to the boundary side, it is also wrong. And here we will see here is blue, here is red and here is yellow. There is also no pieces match, so it is also wrong. And we will see the fourth piece, that is orange, yellow and blue. Here is orange, here is blue and orange, and here is yellow. So this blue is matched. Here we will see the yellow to here, the orange to here, and the blue to here. So that we will take the formula that again we will put the matched corner to our face right, and we will take the formula left, upper, right, upper, left, upper, right, upper. Here we can see that here our this side is matched. There is orange, there is yellow, and here is blue. Here is orange, here is green, and here is yellow. Here it is also matched, and this is also matched. Now we will go to our final step. In the final step, there are two formulas. If you want to first put this formula, so you can use right. Wow, we can see that our cube is completed successfully.
Yes, our cube is completed successfully. Yeah! If you like my video, so click on the thumbs up button, share my video and subscribe our channel.